Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch with your iPhone. First, ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are both enabled. Next, power on your Apple Watch and place it very close to your iPhone, ideally within a few inches. Your iPhone should then display a message prompting you to use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. This initial step is crucial for the pairing process to begin smoothly and efficiently, setting the stage for a successful connection between your devices. Once your iPhone recognizes the Apple Watch, a unique animation will appear on your watch face. To proceed, hold your iPhone directly over this animation, carefully centering the watch face within the viewfinder that appears on your iPhone screen. Your devices will then automatically begin the pairing process. After a few moments, you should receive a confirmation message on your iPhone, indicating that the automatic pairing was successful. This visual method is often the quickest and most intuitive way to establish the connection. If the automatic pairing doesn't work, don't worry. You can easily pair manually. Simply tap the Pair Manually option on your iPhone. Your Apple Watch will then display a distinct 6-digit code. Carefully enter this exact code into the Apple Watch application on your iPhone when prompted. This manual entry ensures a secure connection even if the visual pairing method encounters a minor hiccup. It's a reliable alternative to get your devices connected without any fuss. After successful pairing, your iPhone will guide you through the final setup steps. You'll have the option to restore your Apple Watch from a previous backup or set it up as a brand new device. Next, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. You will also be prompted to create a secure passcode for your watch, typically a 4-digit or 6-digit code. Finally, you can customize settings like text size and other preferences, completing the setup process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.